Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone not showing app icon latest 2025 method. Here are some steps to fix an iPhone that's not showing app icons. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check home screen. Ensure that the icon app is not hidden on another home screen page and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check app library. Go to the app library page, swipe left on the home screen to see if the app icon is there and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset home screen layout. Go to setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset home screen layout. You can see reset home screen. Your home screen will be reset to the default iPhone layout. Downloaded apps will appear after the first home screen page and app folder will be removed. Apps will remain hidden and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for software update. Go to setting app, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is disable and re-enable Siri. Go to setting app, scroll up, tap on Siri and toggle off and then on and problem is fixed. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying this solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check for hidden apps. Go to setting app, tap on general, tap on restrictions and check if the app is hidden and problem is fixed. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying this solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reinstall the app. Go to the app store, search for the app and install it and problem is fixed. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying this solution number 9. Solution number 9 is reset all settings. Go to setting app, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data and media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all sessions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support@apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone not showing app icon latest 2025 method successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.